Hi, Terry here. I want to show you a quick way to learn how to get back up again. That's it. You get back up. You stand back up. Yeah, I put little post-it pads all over the place to remind me that I have to get back up. But if you are waiting for someone in your life to come and help you do that, they're trying to help themselves. They've got their own problems going on. Now, when I wrote the book, Moving Forward in Unsure Steps, I want you to know that was not boasting or bragging. That was because of hard trials and tribulations. And I know that you are going through them yourself right now. And if you're not, you will be. So what do you do? What do you do then? I never considered myself a writer. And then people said, please tell us, how you did it, how to get back up again. So I ended up writing another book, which, by the way, How to Get Up Again, is actually sold out. I have more coming in, but you can go online to Amazon and get any of my books there. But I want to tell you how that came about. It came about because I used to always, for years, and I still do it, I say my prayers, I write to God, and then I say, please, tell me next, what do I do? So when it came to this book, I said, write another book? I don't even know how. God, what would make this book so special? And you know what he told me? That's what I really felt. It was whoever buys that book and whoever reads that book and does what you say inside, it's going to be the best book that they've ever had. And you know why? The book is about you. Each chapter, I'll say a little bit to you, but then you're going to write your life. Now, when you're finished, it might really hurt to write some things down, but there's a lot of things in there that might make you feel really good about yourself. But when you're done, you can either burn the book and then burn your problems too, whatever it was, or you can publish it, or you can save it for your family. But what you're really going to find out is your purpose, because it's probably in your life you've never taken time to write your whole life down. And this shows you, oh, so simple, so easy how to do it. You're going to laugh, you're going to cry, but you're really going to find out about yourself and your purpose for why you're here. And if you haven't found that out, like I say, by the end of it, you better go back and write more. So I really look forward to possibly talking with you, because online you can go to terryladner.com, where you can sign up for consultations, you can sign up for my classes. There's always going to be some really good videos and information on there. I really would love to hear from you and help you to understand that you're not getting any younger. And whatever your past was, in your past life, most of it you don't want to remember anyway. So stop thinking it, and I'll show you how. Stop thinking about yesterday. It already robbed you. A lot of those things that weren't good, do you want to remember them today? Did they do you any good then? No, they didn't. So I can definitely help you. I look forward to hearing from you. So contact me soon.